Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get HTML content from a web page. Now if you've not already got it on board, you want to import this module here called requests, and you can import it through pip. So we're going to start off now. I'm going to create a variable called website. I'm going to assign it to https example.com for this web page, and I'm going to create a variable called response and assign it to requests.get and the website there. Okay, so we're going to assign it to that. Then what we're going to do, we're going to print out what we get. So print, this has to be response dot text. Okay, now all we do is we call the program web HTML. Okay, and there you go. That's the information. Okay, we're going to do another one here where we're going to get web, and this is going to be status code. Okay, so again, let's have a look. Website, assign that to https example.com, and then we're going to do response again, assign it to requests dot get website, and then we're going to print out a response code or a status code here. Dot status code, and this will return the numerical status code of the site, tell us whether it's working or not. So we'll just change this. This is going to be web status code. Let's just run that. And there we go, it's returned a value of 200, which means it's okay, it's up and running. Right, for the last example, we're going to do, let's have a look, I think HTTP headers. So I'll just knock out this here. So the response again is going to equal requests dot head, because we're going to get the headers from the website. Print response dot headers. So this will return the HTTP headers from the website. So let's just save it. Before we run it, we'll just rename that HTTP and that's going to be headers. Let's just save that and run it. Okay, there we go. Those are the headers that it's returned for us, and there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.